we are Ashley and Jamin Mills from The Handmade Home.
And I'm KariAnne from Thistlewood Farms.
And we're here with the Fall Jeffrey Court Renovation Challenge. And this is season 4 and we're in week 5. And we all know what week 5 brings, right?
It's Rally Cap Week!
That is correct. It is the week for anyone who feels like maybe they haven't gotten it all together yet, haven't submitted the things they need to, or just aren't there to rally the troops and get it done. And we have faith in all of them. But anyway, as I said, this is week 5. We have a couple more weeks. Important thing is we need you to vote. And you can do that by jumping over to hd.jeffreycourt.com to vote. We'll talk about more of that later, but we're going to jump right into our first participant.
The Crisp Collective has made so much progress with their bathroom. We love the way they added that contrast to the bench, and the top to their vanity is dark and beautiful. It looks so great.
And I love the accessories that she's choosing for the space. She has these incredible sconces and this beautiful mirror, and it just goes to show that every little detail in a bathroom is super important, especially the finishing touches like mirrors and lighting.
And Living Letter Home is tackling their laundry room, which I love because, I mean, who doesn't need a good laundry room? And it looks like they've made a lot of progress with it. They've got their vent put in, they've got some of the trim done, so it's looking good so far.
That black splash is one of our favorite tiles. We've used it in some of our own projects. It looks so good, and the installation looks beautiful.
And wait until you see the barn door from Making Manzanita. Oh my gosh, it's one of the prettiest barn doors I've ever seen. They walk you through, they do the entire step-by-step. It's these beautiful angled cuts and beautiful black hardware. Incredible job. Love your barn door.
Yeah, they're doing really well so far. I think it's going to complement that tile very well. I think everybody, like you said, very beneficial to go and see it, see how it's done, see how to hang it. And so check that out for sure.
The Clever Housewife is booking it with the progress on that bathroom. I'm obsessed with that floor tile. It is gloriously beautiful. The wall pocket looks so good. The vanity is so pretty. I can't wait to see how it all comes together.
Yeah, they're doing a lot of work. They're so far along too, getting ready to go out and all that. So I know they've got to be excited with how all that's coming together and excited they're near the completion of the project. So looking forward to next week in that reveal.
Next up, we have Eye in the Detail, and she goes into a detailed tutorial about her niche that she built in her shower and all of the challenges that she had with it, and I think it really turned out amazing. And then she moved on from the niche to installing this beautiful geometric tile.
Her shower area is really beautiful. It has this great all white combination on the inside and then a great contrast on the outside with a beautiful floor pattern. I just cannot wait to see how it all comes together because it looks so good.
So Gather Grace Decor is our next participant, and they're still in the demo phase. So we're going to dedicate this week's Rally Cap to them because I have faith. I know that they're going to pull out the troops and really kind of wow us next week. I am excited about the floor. I think that's going to look amazing and feel good under feet as well. So can't wait till next week to see what happens.
I can't wait to see her tub next week and see how it all comes together. I'm sure it's going to be a beautiful space.
New Build Newlyweds has made so much progress with their bathroom. That floor and herringbone tile combination is so beautiful. I'm in love with that tile.
Yeah, it's looking really amazing. I'm gonna be honest, I got distracted by the graffiti, the I Love Jeffrey Court. I think that's a great touch. But what really got me was the Christmas socks. I mean, on par with that, love the socks. Great addition there.
So seasonally appropriate.
Absolutely.
This week, Home Revival Designs introduced a new product, one that I had never heard of before. It's called Muscle Bound, and basically it's a super sticky sticker that you apply to the wall, and then you apply the tile directly onto it, and then you grout. So I thought that was a very interesting take. You definitely want to check it out in the post for sure.
It's brilliant because I know sometimes those wall installs can be so hard.
Yes.
And that floor is just glittering. It is so pretty, and the wall pockets are so interesting. It's almost like a stained glass window, so I cannot wait to see how that all turns out.
Up next is House of Esperanza, and I'm really loving how all that's coming together. I mean, that subway tile is looking beautiful, matched with their floor tile. I mean, really great job, guys.
I love the classic design of the way that they applied the subway tile. It's so old school, and I think the contrast with that beautifully patterned floor is so perfect.
Simply Aligned Home has brought their A game with that entryway, and I have a thing for hall trees, and it is beautiful with that green. So pretty.
Yeah, they've done an amazing job, and what they do not need? The rally cap. They do not need it. There's no rallying gear. I mean, it looks great. They've amazed me. Every time there's someone who I'm like, I'm not sure about this, and by the end I'm like, yeah, they nailed it. So good job. I'm looking forward to the full reveal next week for sure.
White Raven & Co. spent this week picking out all of the fixtures for her home. She's kind of going for a sleek, modern look, and all of the fixtures in her bathroom reflect that. She also, most of the lighting in her house is all canned lighting, so she chose this incredible chandelier for directly over the mirror, and I think it really adds a lot to the space.
Yeah, and for this one, I'm gonna have to steal Jamin's rally cap. Because I'm definitely rooting for you to pull this off. It's gonna be amazing, but ooh, you gotta book it.
You got this. You got it.
You got it. That wraps up all of our amazing participants this week, and our award is for the most seasonally appropriate decor in their photos. And the award goes to
New Build Newlyweds. Congratulations! Yay!
Hey, and thanks for joining us again this week. Again, please remember to go to hd.jeffreycourt.com because we need you to vote. We don't make the decision. You help make that decision, so vote for the one you love the most. And of course, next week will be reveal week, so you have one more chance to vote there. Also, check out homes.com for sure. They're partnering with us this year, and you can see some great projects there and some good houses you might want to buy. Again, we're so excited you're here to help vote for this because $5,000 goes to somebody. Thanks, and we'll see you next week.